Hello everyone, in this lesson we will add a new category. To add a new category we first need the HTTP GET and HTTP POST methods. Our page works in two steps during the adding process. The first step is to load the page. Here a GET method is used. Why do we need this? I will explain. So let's write create method. First we need HTTP GET method, public iAction result, create category. Okay, and we need return view. Good. And we need HTTP post, public iAction result, create category. Okay. We also need to create the same method with post attribute. When you create the method, it will give you two errors. As you can see, this is two errors. First error, type categories controller already defines a member called create category with the same parameter types. Second error is categories controller dot create category method, not all code paths return a value. Good. The first error is the error of not returning a value. For example, if you type return view, here error 1 will disappear. You can see return view, and as you can see we need only one error. Okay, excuse me, we have only one error. Okay, the reason for the second error is overload. You can see. We can explain the concept of overload as follows. It is the use of a method with the same name more than once, where the parameters must be different from each other. For example, you will write an addition method. This number addition method must be able to add as many parameters as entered. Another, for example, if we enter two numbers in the adding method, we must add two numbers. If we enter three numbers, we must add three numbers. If we enter four numbers, we must add four numbers. Here our method has two separate overloads. There is no parameter in our first method, you can see, but there is a parameter in our second method. Let's give the category class as a parameter to our second method. Category and category parameters. Okay. We will revise this as DTO, data transfer object, in the following lessons. Okay, create a parameter with the same name here. Let's make sure it starts with a lowercase letter only. Good. Now let's call our 11th method underscore category service dot insert, and we need category parameters. Okay, good. It should direct us back to the category list page. For this we need to write a return redirect code. Return redirect to action after adding go to category list. Okay, our create category is ready. Good. Let's create a view. Right click, add view, razor view, choose. This view will use the layout we created before, and our layout is choose. Add, click. I'm waiting for create. I'm waiting. Okay, our view is ready. Now we need to code the view side. First we need to call our model. At model we need foody.entityLayer.concrete.category. Good. Typing the name of the model in lengthy ways each time may tire you. Instead, we can just call the name of the class. For this, there's a field called with imports in our project. We need to open this place. This is View Imports in Views folder. Okay, the View Imports file provides a structure where we can only class names instead of long file names. It also holds tag helper commands. Tag helpers entered our lives with ASP.NET Core. They make many operations easier on the core side. We will use this practically. Let's write our code here. We need at using Foody.EntityLayer.concrete. Okay, good. Now it will be enough to just write the name of our class in our views. Let's test this at model, and we need only category name. Okay, good. As you can see, it's enough to write the name of the class after the model. I will not add anything directly to the bottom part. Here we need a small design for the area depending on the layout. I will explain in the next lesson. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.